Racing the Antelope. First published, 2001 subjects. Human musculoskeletal system, human physiology, running, evolution. Anatomy genres book, non-fiction, science pairing scientific inquiry, and philosophical musing. This book examines the human desire to run, blending biology, anthropology, psychology, and philosophy with a passion for running. This is no traditional physiology text, but a thoughtful look at how physiology affects human life. Human biology. First published, 2017 subjects, medical, human physiology, anatomy, science, biology genres book. Textbook using the human body as a lens through which to examine biology. This textbook focuses on establishing a foundation of knowledge in both human biology and physiology. A great choice for both students of biology and those interested in how human physiology affects us on even the deepest levels. Fundamentals of Anatomy and Physiology. First published, 2017 subjects, medical education, human physiology, anatomy, human anatomy genres book. Textbook focusing on research that has explored how students use and process visual information. This textbook is designed to use art effectively to teach the toughest topics in A&P. Designed for 2-semester courses, it integrates medical terminology with clear and detailed graphics. Human Anatomy and Physiology Lab Manual CAT version. First published, 2018 subjects, medical, dissection, human physiology, anatomy, human anatomy genres book, textbook, lab book. This lab-focused book is designed to manage time inside and outside of the classroom and can accompany any A&P textbook, though it is designed to be a companion for the marriage/home human anatomy and physiology text. Clear illustrations, lab review sheets, clinical application, and critical thinking questions all work in harmony to supplement any physiology course. Under Your Skin. First published, 2007 subjects. Human physiology, anatomy, physiology genres book, children's literature. This approachable children's book encourages kids of all ages to learn about the structure and operation of their own bodies. Clear diagrams and an interactive nature make the subject of human physiology one that even smaller children can begin to comprehend. Anatomy and Physiology for Speech, Language, and Hearing. First published, 2009 subjects, medical, otolaryngology, human physiology, anatomy, speech genres book. Textbook. A combination of thorough illustrations and study reviews make this a vital companion to students of the physiology surrounding language. Human motor development. First published, 2016 subjects, medical, developmental psychology, education, human physiology, physical education genres book. Textbook. This textbook looks at human physiology specifically through the context of motor, cognitive, and social development, exploring factors that affect development, such as stimulation and deprivation. The Physiology Coloring Book. First published, 1999 subjects, education, human physiology, anatomy genres book, coloring book, textbook using a unique approach to familiarize students With the structure and systems of physiology, each two-page spread allows readers to focus easily on the material being presented while coloring in names and illustrations. The Giant Book of the Human Body. First published 1989. Subjects: Human Physiology, Medicine, Nursing, Science, Physiology Genres book. Children's Literature, a truly giant book, at 2 feet tall and over a foot wide. This approachable and clear introduction to the functions of the body's anatomy is doubly memorable for young ones thanks to its oversized nature. Simplified explanations of human physiology lay the foundation for continued education and understanding. DK Eyewitness Books, Human Body. First published 2014. Subjects: Biology, Anatomy Genres book. Educational using clear, age-appropriate text. This book explores the contemporary and historical developments in the study of human anatomy and the inner workings of our bodies. From nerves and cells to muscles and joints, this thorough and clear introduction to human physiology is explained with the clear and colorful diagrams DK Eyewitness books are known for. Principles of Anatomy and Physiology. First published 2011. Subjects: Medical, Human Physiology, Anatomy, Human Anatomy, Science Genres book. Textbook. This textbook is designed for NP students, but the clear and traditional layout makes it easy to read, and a great general reference book, with bountiful illustrations and photographs. The Way We Work. First published 2008. Subjects: Human Physiology, Physiology Genres book. Children's Literature. Educational, a thorough and comprehensive resource for students of all ages interested in the inner workings of the human body. This book takes readers through 7 sections, from cells to the forms they build. Quirky but clear illustrations make each lesson memorable, while a sense of humor makes even tougher concepts easy to remember and learn. The Wisdom of the Body. First published 1997. Subjects: Human Physiology, Human Body, Science, Physiology Genres book. Non-fiction rather than use a textbook approach to discussing the mechanical and biological operation of the body. This book uses a more lyrical approach to examine the process of life, taking a tour through the human body from DNA to organs, using stories from his medical practice mixed with clear scientific explanations. Newland finds joy in the intricate machine of human physiology. Exercise Physiology. Exercise Physiology. The Secret Family. First published 1997. Subjects: Human Physiology, Popular Science, Human Anatomy, Science, Physiology Genres, Mathematics, Science. Fascinating macro photography techniques provide illustrations to balance, engaging descriptions of the physiological changes that occur during everyday events from kissing to eating. Following the activities of a family of 4. Anatomy and Physiology. Anatomy and Physiology. BRS Physiology. BRS Physiology.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.